Fuck it, let's keep the trend going. Yeah.
Hey man, free blood valve, no man.
Chucky Hiccup.
Free the guys, man. Shit free, but free the guys.
Shit free, but free the guys and free
Shit
guns.
free, but free the guy.
Red seats, red key, all the hoes on sex me. Me and her both got Selena, she thinks she my bestie. They don't like it when I bounce, I seen him take his last breath. Niggas troll on that for promo, can't let us a mad reach. I got on 2 box of breeze, she sucking deep before I pee. Me and Mil D out the lane, big up Lil D out the lane.
Wait a minute. He said he got 2 box of briefs. What's the point of having 2 box of briefs for? To hold your gun? Is that the method? I never understood it. That shit end up in my, falling down my, sliding down the 2 box of briefs. Duh. Damn, I never knew.
You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck ODIE. Turning down all the tour days, my first show gon' be Italy. I don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses, Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. Know that.
Don't like diamonds? That's new. But that watch do look hard.
Turning down all the
Playing.
tour days, my first show gon' be Italy. I don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn.
It matched the fit though. Okay, I see why. Okay, I could get you with it.
Mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses, Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. Know that not but sure, should crown her 2K just for me to see through. Bella right here, boy, I see dude. Candle lights get hit for sure. Niggas we talk like savages, time to do savage shit, they disappearing. I get on the net and act myself, that savage shit be in me. You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything for likes. Mommy gun size as a bike. Pink slip shot the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, the likes. Mommy gun size as a bike. Pink slip shot the police right up. Remember them days in them get on the net.
Pink slip shot the police right up.
You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything for likes. Mommy gun size as a bike. Pink slip shot the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, Bella right here fucking right up. And before them Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up. Every mission Chucky got off, he got hit up, got sent right up. Police think this shit again, they let bro out and snatch the right up. I go in the mile and cash out everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty spending. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Get to the room, drop a penny, she screaming, go Chucky, get it. Won't go for that, I ain't thirsty. End of the night, I still hit her. After the show, bet we been.
Ooh, that's be stupid. Fuck, it make me want to freestyle. Fuck. Hold on. Should I be a cool? Oh shit, what's that? Should I be a cool dude today and give y'all a freestyle? Hold on. Fuck, this shit made me want to hop on a beat. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, we gonna do that right after this one. We can't stop this one. Fuck, this shit going stupid.
You be petty spending. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Get to the room, drop a penny. She screaming, go
Chucky,
Chucky,
get
up.
up.
For that, I ain't thirsty. End of the night, I still hit her. After the show, bet we bip through. We on a hunt for them niggas. First of the month, know I ran through. That's why she hit in my system. I got codeine in my system. Yo, bitch, I sipping on liquor. I don't throw cash in the strip club. Young nigga getting more richer. Mexican hoe getting thicker. NYC finna go hit her. If I get hit on the dust game, lil' bro come through, it's a stick up. On the drill, he caught the hiccups. What that mean? That boy a bitch boy. I got a switch on my rocket. That bitch come quick like a blitz boy. Or come quick like a Hellcat. We still post up in them trenches. Toy hit the block, we in CP, throw the blicks over the fences. Do donuts in a scat pack. That's when I first saw my dilly. Gave my OG 30K and did it again. I'm super richy. I was know not to come outside. I got like 15 lows on Sibley. See a strike, fuck up the ride. I gotta get back.
I need to hop on a Chucky beat. What the fuck? I didn't know his shit was coming like this. Damn.
Back on you silly. Switch around every time. I got like 4 spots in a bitty. I got rich, I rap now crack, but I do 1 million a minute. Free Smirky going up, they got that bro out any minute. Free Shona and free Millie, bro, my twin, and that's my killer. We got 4 Johnson, a sprinter, it's just me and Lil Bro winning. Beat the road for 13 hours, it's a must, I count the chicken.
Ooh, yeah, we gonna do this shit right now. We gonna do this shit live. Watch this.